Okay, so here's what I picked so far. But I didn't do this today. I did this the other day. And then I'm gonna grab some more. Then look at this one. Look at that. Oh yeah, I don't think these tomatoes are gonna turn red. I think they're gonna be a different color. Cause look, here's another one. And these have been in the bag. Well, this one definitely been in that bag for like a week already to ripen and turn red and stuff. And that's about as far as it's gotten. Then these are the other ones that's in there that's red. So yeah, I guess I had like a rainbow variety. I do remember grabbing some tomatoes that were different colors and stuff. So I don't even remember what they were called, but I just know they was all different colors. Let me just take the bags off of these. Yeah, it's okay. I'm nervous, but they have to grow. And hopefully they'll be protected from, the wildlife out here. Everything else has been so far, so hopefully it'll be safe too. I'm debating because I thought when I came out here, this is gonna look a lot worse than it does, and it doesn't. It's actually still looking kind of the same. It's just like a few dead leaves, a couple dead branches that I can cut away. But like I said, it's gonna be cold in a few days again, like down in the 30s and the 50s. So pull up these sticks and reuse them. I'm going to reuse this, of course, this bed. And I might dig up and let's see what this tomato plant ended up looking like under the soil to see if any roots started forming. What else? This one. And I'm gonna chop those down. Okay. So there's that one. It looks so nice. And you see, it was other little spots where some more were supposed to come in at, but that didn't happen. And just lay that in there. That's gonna be one of my repottings. Chop that down. Put that there. Yeah. I still don't have a shovel yet, so don't judge. I used to have one, and it was in storage. So don't judge my little shovel. It's really wet in here. Ew, this is really soggy. It did rain a lot the other day for the past couple of days. Ew, is water getting out? Oh, it's so heavy. I know I don't have it plugged. Ugh, yuck. I'll be back. Maybe that's why this didn't grow so well. Because I knew I don't even see the root no more. I don't even see the tomato branch. Is that it? Ugh. Just looks like mud. Yuck. Alright, so this turned out to be worse than I thought. It's real murky, and it's definitely not draining. Oh, there's the tomato root right there, but it had no roots on it. That's what that looks like. So, the goal is to get all of this out of here and see, because I thought I made a drainage hole, or I thought I pulled the plug on the hole that was in there so it can drain, but obviously not. So I'm gonna transport all this soil into this bin over here, and I'll be back. So I found the problem. You see the hole right there? It's like flat on the pallet, so the water isn't really draining out at all. So it was just sitting down there filling up. So I transfer all the soil over here, and I'm gonna just have to rework my whole little situation right here and make everything look nice again. And yeah, I don't have a lot of storage on my phone, so you're not gonna see me go through the whole process of rearranging everything, but I'll pick you back up when I get done. Okay, boom.